y'all, happy Saturday. Today is the car show. Let's take a look at some of the cars that's here. The family cars, guys. Take a look.
That's all. That's all. What they doing the damn vlog and I just want you to know. Let you know.